So today I will be teaching you on how to win the heart of a wealthy man. How to win the heart of a wealthy man. In my many years of serving wealthy people, I've come to realize that one of the things that makes any wealthy man happy, one of the things that gladden the heart of a wealthy man is intelligent conversation. I'm yet to see a wealthy man who is impressed by shallow conversation. I'm yet to see. I've served about 5 wealthy people. When I mean wealthy, I mean wealthy people. One of the things that is common with them that they love intelligent conversations. And you see, many young people these days, many youths of our generations don't know how to hold intelligent conversations. And that is why many people struggle to work with wealthy people. They struggle. You see, you cannot give what you don't have. If you don't have intelligent conversation within yourself, you can't have it among other people. You can't. So the first step of learning how to conversate with people intelligently is by learning how to do that within yourself. And how does that happen? You must start reading good books. Stop reading all these romance books, romance novels. It will not help you when the chips are down. It can't help you. Learn to read good books. Learn to listen to people who conversate intelligently. Learn to listen to great men and women talk. Learn to follow the right people on social media. You consume a lot of entertainment content and it's affecting your conversations. So one of the key ways of winning the heart of a wealthy man is conversations that are intelligent. Intelligent conversations, deep conversations, smart conversations, not shallow conversations. So this is one of the ways of winning the heart of a wealthy man. In my next video, I'll be teaching you another way. We have about 10 simple ways you can win. So follow me as we unveil them. Thank you.